There is the attic fan in my grandparents' house. And then back there is the Kenmore, which I'm gonna film.
Can I come?
Sure. And here is the old Kenmore. I don't know if you could see it. That's the old Kenmore in my grandparents' room. There it is. The old Kenmore AC unit. Here's the 06 Amana, 6,000 BTUs. Matsushita rotary compressor, which I just figured out. And then here is the GE Medea in the living room, 15,000 BTUs. So I think it's 15,000. It's 11,000 BTUs actually, sorry. There's the other side of the Kenmore. Here's the attic fan again. I don't know what brand the motor is, but this is the first time I'm actually seeing it. Never saw it before. It's the first time I'm seeing it run. Is there another train? No. I need to film this for you, Jack. This is the old Kenmore in my grandparents' room. It's the other side of it. It's fine, thin coils. And the GE is going in here. It's going to replace 40-year-old unit. And then there's the little GE right there.